Hello and welcome to Sunspot channel. Hi, hello again. We're here in the bird's room. So this is our sun corner. This one seems empty, but it's not. We got a ring neck. It's inside the nest box. I think it's about to lay eggs. The other pair, this pair is a bit scared, but little by little we are going to work with these guys. Alright, okay, this is a cocktail white face that has a babies here. Here, 3 babies. And here, 2 babies. Waiting for this one to request. The female is in the nest box, about to lay egg right here. This one, green cheek, have 4 eggs. Alright babies, this is a pair. There's another surprise here. This one, 3 babies. Oh, this one is probably big. And over there, our quacker. I checked them yesterday. They have 2 eggs. So I think they are about to lay more eggs. This is our lovebird. That's over there in the nest. It has 4 or 5 eggs. The female is inside. This is the male. He went in. This is another female here. Doesn't have boy yet. Okay. Here. And look at that. This is the buggy. It is female. They have eggs. So this is are going to clean all these cages today. Alright, right here our mosaic canary is their babies. It has only 1 baby and she start laying eggs again. That's what we don't want to, but it happens. This is a haired speckled canary. She has 2 babies. And this one is another pair that over there has 2 babies. They're grown up. Alright, here we're preparing this parakeet to breed for this year. They are here about 2 weeks, I think, or 3. This is, look at these ones. We just get them. They were horrible the first time from the first owner, but they're getting much better now. And this is another pair parakeet. We'll prepare them to breed. And this is our avari that we made a video for this one already, from the beginning to the end. This is how it looks far away. Already after a week, look at that. It weighed his neck. The golden princess. And over there, I don't know if you guys can see there. That has that's over there too. Right. So our project for today is to clean the room again, to clean all the cages, and we do some changes here. You guys will see later on this video. Alright, let's start working. This is our boy, he came for help. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hey, come here. Alright, come. Come over. Come on. Hey, let's go. Hey, come on. Come on. Thank you. Alright. Don't go over there, okay? Stay with me. Alright guys, let's work with this. I'm finished cleaning the floor and the cages. Alright. Alright. So we clean. That's the green egg. Green egg get up in this box. We turn this box this way. And then the other side, get this canaries. The room will be separated from here, and we can move the other ones over here too. See you in next video. Bye bye.